Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So recently I did a little swatch of the mini Jouer nude edition of the lip colors. So this time I'm actually going to be doing the same thing, but this one is for Best of DEEPS for Jouer. So this is what the box looks like. And it has 6 shades in it. So these are the shades. And it also has some metallics in there, so I'm excited to see the metallics and see how they wear and how they really apply, because I don't really mess around with metallics too much, but I do love playing with makeup. So this is a really fun way to find out if you really like a product, if you want to buy the full size afterwards, if you want to just kind of play around with makeup and explore and you've never tried anything other than a pink or a nude and you want to just try a deeper color, then this is really a good kit for that, because it kind of helps you explore into really vivid and bold colors. So I definitely recommend it. This one retails for $27 and you get 6 minis in there, so I think that's a really great deal. And I really like the brand. I really like the formula of it. It's not drying. It's very thin. It's buildable. And it's kind of foolproof when it comes to putting it on. So I really like liquid lipsticks though. So I'm kind of used to, being careful with the application and everything. But I mean, the color that I have on right now, it's a new shade called Aubergine. I am the worst at trying to pronounce a word or read something that's maybe not even in English, something that's not normal, obviously. So I believe it's French, that word, because I mean, jouer means play in French. So I think that's super cool too, because again, I love to play with music. I love to play with makeup and music. But anyway, if you didn't catch my video, I'm gonna go ahead and leave a link up here so that you can click on it afterwards, maybe even during, check it out. It's the nudes version of this video. So I hope that you enjoy these swatches. Okay, so this completes my swatches. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you did, and if you see my face around here, go ahead and give it a click so that you can subscribe, and make sure that you miss none of my videos, because they're gonna be so good, you guys. They're gonna be so entertaining and so awesome. So make sure that you subscribe and you don't miss any of them. Okay, thanks. See you soon. Bye.